pagbabago.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang mag-aahon. Sa piling mo, di ko mawawala ang korupsyon. Tayo na, Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pag-asenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago. Masdan mo ang paligid, talamak mga krimen, rape, droga at mga nakawan, dapat nga mapigilan. Tayo na, Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pag-asenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago.
Why am I here? I am here because I love my country and I love the people of the Philippines.
Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago.
Once again, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. May we now request the President to lead the awarding of medals to the deserving AFP soldiers to be assisted by Lieutenant General Ray Leonardo Guerrero, Commander Eastern Mindanao Command, Major General Benjamin Madrigal Jr., Commander 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army, and Colonel Eric Vinoya, Commander 403rd Infantry Brigade, 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army.
Attention to orders. Headquarters, 4th Infantry Diamond Division, Philippine Army. Camp Edelberto Evangelista, Cagayan de Oro City. Pursuant to General Orders numbers 387 to 391, dated 05 July 2017, the Military Merit Medal with Spearhead device is hereby awarded to the following officers and enlisted personnel for heroic achievement as operating elements of 58th Infantry Battalion and 8th Infantry Battalion of 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army, during encounters against members of the New People's Army in Sitio Dugudugo, Pilaes, Claveria, Misamis Oriental, on 05 June 2017, and in Sitio Tagbakan, Barangay Kanangaan, Cabanglasan, Bukidnon on 25 March 2017. Second Lieutenant Julio Cesar C. Labay, Officer-17502, Infantry, Philippine Army. Second Lieutenant Vincent Mark C. Madul, Officer-149066, Infantry, Philippine Army. Second Lieutenant Erwin M. Babas, Officer-143593, Infantry, Philippine Army. And Sergeant Nurael A. Isnain, 834230, Infantry, Philippine Army. Second Lieutenant Vincent Mark C. Madul. Second Lieutenant Erwin M. Babas, Officer-143593, Infantry, Philippine Army. And Sergeant Nurael A. Isnain, 834230, Infantry, Philippine Army. Likewise, the Military Merit Medal with an Ahaw Leaf is hereby awarded to the following officers and enlisted personnel for the invaluable service rendered as members of the Martial Law Implementing Unit and Task Force Oro under 403rd Infantry Brigade, 4th Infantry Division, Philippine Army, who provided intelligence and covert security support that led to the arrest of Fahad Salik alias Pre, former mayor of Marawi City, a suspected Maute Group protector on 07 June 2017 in Villanueva, Misamis Oriental, and subsequently conducted the search and seizure to the suspect's house at Phase 1B Xavier Estates, Upper Balulang, Cagayan de Oro City. The arrests and other activities in support to the apprehension and implementation of martial law in the whole island of Mindanao also led to the successful apprehension of a certain Muhammad Noaim Maute, alias Abu Hadid at Aluba, Barangay Makasandig, Cagayan de Oro City, on 15 June 2017. Captain Pete M. Malaluan, Officer-137388, Infantry, Philippine Army. Captain Charlie Q. Valdez, Officer-15653, Military Intelligence, Philippine Army. Captain Ray Ezequiel C. Escalera, Officer-140082, Infantry, Philippine Army. First Lieutenant Paulo C. Agda, Officer-16408, Infantry, Philippine Army. Technical Sergeant Bayani C. Cretesio, 784347, Infantry, Philippine Army. Staff Sergeant Ibrahim O. Dalkis, 807695, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class Runel B. Namalata, 905167, Infantry, Philippine Army. And Private First Class Marjun V. Romanillos, 905229, Infantry, Philippine Army. By command of Major General Madrigal Jr., Official, Adonis Ariel G. Orio, Colonel, General Staff Corps, Infantry, Philippine Army, Acting Chief of Staff. Signed, Sharon G.